These are my tips and tricks on bulk installing on the Tesla bumper. We're gonna get started by prepping the bumper, and I like to use my slip tank for this one. Now before we get started, I like to spray this Instagel on the bumper first. This is gonna allow you guys to have a lot more working time when you're working by yourself. Now let's remove the liner from the film, but I'll be spraying Instagel on this as well. Now let's get started. We're gonna be starting by transferring this film. Now let's pay attention to this part, because we're gonna be glassing the bumper. You could do this solo, but it's always gonna be easier if you got somebody to help you out. I got the homie Apollo. He's willing to always jump in to give me a hand. Remember that imaginary road map? Yep, we gonna do it again. But I'm only gonna be squeegeing this top part though, the bumper. But you gotta move left to right. Now there's tricks to be doing this bumper, but you gotta do these cuts around the fog light right here. They're intricate cuts. Now we're gonna be lowering the film just a little bit because we gotta do one more important cut. Pay attention. I'm gonna be releasing this bottom part. Now we gotta start feeding the film in. You gotta keep that hot water on you though, because it's gonna help you soften this film up so you can stretch it and tack it under that fog light. You gotta always make sure you keep that cold DI tack with you, because it's gonna help you lay this film down so you don't have to worry about it popping back on you. Now let's focus on squeegeeing the end of the bumper. Now let's finish this off. Spraying a little bit more Instagel in here. This is gonna help me create like a suction. It's gonna help the film lay down to the panel without even squeegeeing it. Now let's pause this for a minute. In my experience, you can have a chance with lifting issues if you have a film that has a less aggressive adhesive, but I won't have that problem because I'm using that ULTRAFIT XP Retro Mat, which has a crazy advanced adhesive, and I love this stuff, bruh. And I'm gonna be squeegeeing this down. You gotta cut this right in the middle though. Now if you do these relief cuts correctly, you're gonna just watch that film just straight fall into place. Now the relaxing part, and you can just squeegee all this down nice and slow. It's perfect. I got a timeline on this car, so I gotta go, fellas. Remember, time is money. Before I get out of here, here's gonna be a quick tip for you guys. If you're gonna attempt bulking this bumper, you gotta practice some knife skills. You gotta always remember, think twice, cut once, and then store that in your brain. I hope this video helps some of you guys out. I'm Anthony Magana, and you can follow me at ppf_Tony for more tips and tricks and my advanced techniques.